You guys are probably wondering why we're laying a floor today. So a little bit more, I don't know what I did with that pencil. So we've been back in the US for a little bit now. We decided to set up a home base after traveling Southeast Asia for about 8 months. So we're in the process of redoing the floors in the kitchen. I gotta trim this piece a little bit more. Like 5/16. I think there's a straight edge around here. We just got these eargasms, they're called. When we were in Malaysia, we went to the movies and it was super loud. And I don't know if that's just because we're getting older or if the movies are actually that loud, but they're supposed to filter out the noise but not stop all the noise. They're basically earplugs but with a little screen. Third try. So when we traveled, we sold everything we had. So we're starting from scratch. We have to rebuy everything, furniture, you know, table, kitchen table, and we're also, first we need to finish the floors, but I'll give you guys a little tour. Here's the kitchen. We got the bedroom. Marilu's doing laundry. The workshop. Marilu's working.
On Amazon.
Shopping. This is going to be the office. We're planning on setting up a desk and, you know, monitors and do some video editing here. That way when we come back from a trip, we can break down all the content and edit. We think it might be easier that way. But we did buy some more gear for the upcoming trip. Then we got bigger luggage because we had like 20-inch luggage and it started to get full and we had trouble closing it each time because we were moving like every 2 weeks. But so bigger luggage, you know, once we get set up here, it will be pretty nice. We'll have a kitchen table here and we can work from there if we need to. But as of right now, the main goal is to finish the floor. That way it's more functionable here. You know, it'll look a lot nicer. We'll get some rugs and stuff. This was just a quick update video to let you guys know what we've been up to. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. We'll try to answer them. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.